Yes, good afternoon. Welcome to Global Watch Media. I'm at it again. You know, please like, share, and subscribe. Let them know some of the outcasts on here on a patty pan. You see it? You love all the meekle. I love up all the cheeky them. R.I.P. to my Reggie Maroon. You don't know a film style that. Anyway, I'm watching social media. You know, I'm see a video circulate with this white lady went to Jamaica to live, and we da call a commercial resort. That mean you have people coming in and out of there, and them have events that keep there, which is, this is the island of Jamaica. Music I go play there, right? So them have music I play there. People enjoy themselves. It seems to be a resort where you go, where you book your room and you stay there at night time. But say resort in the Caribbean, it's gonna be most of it is gonna be like a fun night. Let's put it that way. It's gonna be a lot of interaction, entertainment, all kind of things are going. She decided, say, these people that own the hotel and work at the hotel was being unreasonable because they was too loud. Okay? She went, she took the sign down that was on the front of the gate and bring it to the kitchen. Fine. The people didn't even say anything to her. Them just lower her and make she be who she is. Alright? Because apparently the behavior we she display is something that she do in her own country, wherever she from. Okay? They allow that and make it go on. So she went back upstairs, maybe like an hour or 2 hours, she come back downstairs and start screaming at the people that was there. So one of the guys took his phone out and started recording her. And I say, oh, I'm gonna upload this to the social media and make everybody see who you are and what you are and see that you're a racist person. Her remarks was, I don't give a shit. Yes, I'm racist. Okay. Well, I don't know who need to hear this. Wherever you're from, right? Whatever nation you're from. When in doubt, when you're planning a vacation to go to Jamaica, please leave your bad behavior and your racism home. Because Jamaica is not one nation who take highly of racism. So, if you was taught in your home as an adolescent to disrespect and treat black people in an ill-mannered way and feel like you're going to go to Jamaica and display the same kind of behavior in Jamaica, let me tell all of you white people from across the world, because this is not a racist talk, I'm just letting you know. Like I said, Jamaica is not one that take highly of racism. So if you go there with your bad behaving self and your racism self and think it's gonna fly in Jamaica, it is not gonna happen. I don't care where in the world you come from. When you go to Jamaica, be on your best behavior because the people in Jamaica is vibrant for the most part when it comes to tourism. They love tourists. They interact with tourists very well. So don't think for a minute just because you're white and you think you're privileged because you're accustomed to privilege in your country where you're from. You think you could come to Jamaica and think you're going to get the same privilege down in Jamaica. No. We don't deal with racism, and we do not see color until you violate a Jamaican. Then he's going to deal with you accordingly, or she going to deal with you accordingly. But we do not look at a person and say, oh, the man that Chinaman, the man that Indian, the man that Vietnam. Then no. Unless you pass your place with a Jamaican, then they're going to tell you about yourself. But do not go to Jamaica with your privileged self and think you're going to go down there and violate the citizens of Jamaica. Because one thing with Jamaican, all the punks them at Jamaica want to think a punk is not a punk. The society where we grew up in make us very strong-minded. So if a debt, and that's the way we was raised. We not say we are promote violence, but that's the way we was raised. So, therefore, there is no other nation gonna come to Jamaica itself and intimidate the citizens within the country of Jamaica. That cannot happen. Me know that for a fact, because Jamaica now gonna stand by and make that happen. So far, the altercation with the China people that's selling in the country is not that extreme that it warranted a demonstration as yet. So, the video I see I circulate with the lady, the white lady who privileged, who thinks that she can come to Jamaica and disrespect the people of Jamaica, right? The citizens of Jamaica and the workers of Jamaica who's working in the hotel that she claimed that she owned 2 rooms in her, where she purchased. I don't know if she paying for it, or she purchased it, or she rent it, or she was there on vacation or something, but apparently she said she paying for 2 rooms. So because she paying for 2 rooms, she thinks she owned the hotel. And the Jamaican workers them that work in the hotel been going through this with a lot of tourists that comes to Jamaica and feel like them can come there and disrespect the workers them of the hotel within Jamaica. And that cannot go on. That can't go on. On a bad behavior on a have, on a leave it in our own country. Jamaica is a vibrant place. We love music, we love food, we love sports, we love women. And the woman them love them man thing. You know, we say we love enjoyment. And we love to interact with new people, but do not come down there with your racism and think it's gonna be acceptable in Jamaica. Because if you skip through our culture and the history, you know, so we do not take highly of privileged people, especially the ones who think they have authorities. So therefore, all of you white people across the globe, whichever country you live in, who's planning on coming to Jamaica and feel like someone can come to Jamaica, a little small island where everybody is black and think one can come here, right? I'm pushing the racism upon us as a small nation. It is not going to happen. We are not going to accept it. So therefore, do not come down here and try it, because the results is always going to be the same. So, same as when time we migrate and we come to other people's country, we have to be on our best behavior. Or the minute we think we we are get ahead of ourselves, or we want to commit crime and waiting in there, they're going to lock us up and deport us. It's the same thing we're going to start doing in Jamaica when they come there and misbehave. Putting them back on a flight, first thing. Sending them back where they come from. Because you cannot come down there and violate the citizens of Jamaica and the workers of Jamaica. I don't care how much revenue they're carrying in the country. Because the revenue is just one time. Maybe a one-time thing. Maybe 2 times. So we're not going to allow UNO to come there and violate the citizens and the workers of the sectors in Jamaica. We're not going to allow that. So therefore, all around the white people who think they can come to the Caribbean, it's not just Jamaica, the whole Caribbean. When they think they can come down in the Caribbean and disrespect and violate the Caribbean people, them, it is not going to happen. We are not going to accept that. You come here, you enjoy yourself, and you go home. That's what we're going to accept. Respect and manners. Everybody is equal in the Caribbean. Ain't no master down here. And ain't nobody going to bow down to you. So, when I know yourself, I know what I do. When I come to the Caribbean, ain't nobody going to cheat on you ill or try to violate you, put no violence to you. But what you're not going to do is come to the Caribbean disrespecting the people of the Caribbean because of the color of them skin. This is not back in the days. And the Caribbean people, them do not think highly of racism. So therefore, please, I'm asking you all, everyone, this is a message to everyone. I don't care what country you come from. When you come to the Caribbean, please be on your best behavior. The Caribbean is about fun, love, enjoyment, right? And partying. And that's what we're doing at the Caribbean. Nothing else. So do not come down here and try to corrupt the people them within a mentality and think you can come down here and bully anybody in the Caribbean within a foreign ways. Please like, share, and subscribe at Global Watch Media. All right? Let that be a message to all European nations. All right? A time for them to stop to them something there. All right? We are some of the strongest people, if not the strongest people them in the world. Caribbean nation. A one love. All right? Jamaica, bless up yourself. Trinidad, bless up yourself. Barbados, bless up yourself. Bahamas, bless up yourself. Grenada, bless up yourself. St. Lucia, bless up yourself. Antigua, bless up yourself. You see me? St. Kitts, bless up yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. Bermuda, bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Panama, bless up yourself. Cuba, bless up yourself. You see me? Yeah, man. Guyana, bless up yourself. You see me? A oneness. Yeah, man. At Global Watch Media. Yeah, man. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right. Blessings.